OMG. They made a bird nest around my house. Do you guys want to see the two birds in the back? I don't want to go back there that way because it's not gonna go well. It's just not. Yeah, that's my grandma's house. It's so beautiful. Hey, Granny. Hey, Snooks. Hey, boy. Look at me do your job. Hey, Snooks. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Hey, little boy. Ow! You little ugly dude. I ain't say sit. I ain't say sit. Shallow. I did not say sit. Shallow. Seriously? Hey, Snooks. Hey, Snooks. Now get off of me. Sit. Sit. Hey. Hey. Goodbye. Whoa, Chico. You can't come. You guys, look at this. There are birds on top of that brick. Isn't this so cool? Focus. 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 You guys see that? It's just so cool. It's just so cool how they look. So you guys, that's the end of this video. I just wanted to show you guys the birds. They had built the nest. I can't wait to see the eggs. And